Sellers, how do you maximize the sale of your home and not leave money on the table? Well, if you're a homeowner getting ready to sell, then you're going to want to hear this. I'm David Janssen with Compass and the Janssen Realty Group. Selling your home can be a significant financial transaction, and we want to help you make the most of it. This list of do's will put you in a better position to make the most return on your investment. So let's get started. First thing is you want to make a good first impression. Yes, first impressions really do matter when selling your home. Think about it as your first chance to really wow the buyers. When prospective buyers walk through your front door, you want them to fall in love with the space. Here are some steps to ensure that your home is ready. First, you want to declutter and depersonalize. Remove all personal items like family pictures and mementos to create a clean and neutral canvas. Next, get rid of all that junk you've been saying that you need to get rid of. Let buyers envision themselves in the space. Now, be on top of your repairs and also your maintenance. It's important to fix any visible issues like a leaky faucet or maybe chips in paint or even a squeaky door. You see, a well-maintained home looks more appealing and can even justify a higher price. So if you're aware of any repairs that need to be done, it could be in your best interest to go ahead and get them done before listing your home. This way, a buyer will not ask for repair credits on some of these costly items later down the road. Don't forget about curb appeal. Having a home with good curb appeal is important for that first impression. I mean, after all, the first thing buyers see when they drive up is the exterior of the home. Invest in landscaping and do a good power wash. Finally, the most important thing to do when listing your home is setting the right price. Pricing your home correctly is crucial in today's housing market. You don't want to miss the mark. This is why it's so important to work with an experienced agent who can prepare an accurate market analysis of your home, taking into account the current market conditions. If you want help navigating the sale of your home without leaving any money on the table, give us a call at 281-610-6826. Again, I'm David Janssen. We've been providing exceptional real estate services here in the Houston area since 2010, and we look forward to working with you.